Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So today we're headed to the lumber yard in the old truck to get some more building materials to finish off our chicken coop. We're building their little mansion for them to run around in and play in. And then we'll be headed back inside for a quick and easy dinner. We're going to make some Instant Pot Swedish meatballs in our Ninja Foodi. This will be another trial and error kind of recipe. And we're going to see how it works. I think it's going to take like less than 5 minutes to put together, and then it shouldn't have to cook for more than about 5 minutes. But this is going to be a combination of a few different recipes I found online and a quick yummy meal for this cool fall weather. So we'll see y'all in the kitchen in just a bit. You caught me watching you. You helping build the chicken coop? Alright, y'all. Are y'all ready for the quickest and easiest recipe ever? We've got our Swedish meatballs that we're trying out, and it's just got like 5 or 6 ingredients too. So we're using our Ninja Foodi. I'm going to empty in 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to dump in 2.5 cups of low sodium beef broth. I use my beef base and I just reconstitute it. So that's why you may see those little bitty bits coming through. We're going to do a splash or 2 of Worcestershire Sauce, however you want to say it. Let's mix this up just a little bit. We're going to also add in 1 cup of whole milk. And then we're going to top this with a 16-ounce bag of wide egg noodles. And it's okay if that's not all mixed in. I'm just going to kind of pop them down into the broth. It'll come up around it, but I want to make kind of a flat layer. And then I'm going to empty in a 2-pound bag of pre-cooked frozen meatballs. Most of the recipes I saw said 24 ounce, but I don't have 24 ounce. I have 2 pounds, and I'm not saving the last little bit. These are small meatballs, and my kids like meatballs, so I'm hoping they'll be eaten up and it won't be a big deal. I'm gonna put that was it, y'all. Like, seriously, that was it. Put our pressure lid on, turn it to sealing, and it's set for 2 minutes. We're gonna press start. Once it gets done, we'll do a quick release, stir it all up, and dinner is ready just like that. Okay, y'all, so moment of truth. We're gonna stir this around and see if it cooked. Now, my Ninja did give me a warning saying I needed more water. So I'm guessing that's similar to the burn notice that you would get on like an Instant Pot. I can tell you that the noodles and everything are definitely done because they're soft. So maybe even just 1 minute would have been enough. I do think that because I have the ability with the air crisp on the top, I think I'm going to crisp up some of these meatballs if I can, especially if I do this again. But main thing I want to see is the taste. We're going to taste it really quick and see how it tastes. And see, make sure that the meatballs got heated all the way through also. So noodle first. And I can tell that some are sticking to the bottom. So that's probably why I got the water notice. Flavor-wise, it's not bad at all. It obviously soaked everything into those noodles, so we don't have any real cream sauce left for it. So it's going to be just the creamy noodles with the meatballs, but I want to see if the meatballs got heated all the way through and how they taste together. Alright, so I still think for a basically 5-minute meal, this is still a win. I do want to see how much of this stuck to the bottom. It's not bad. So maybe if we cut the time to 1 minute, our noodles would be perfect. But I am happy that I went down all the way to what I did, because I saw a lot of recipes say 6 to 8 minutes. And could y'all imagine how these noodles would be? How like gummy and just paste this would be? So we're going to air crisp the meatballs for just a minute or two. And then we will serve with a little salad. And it's going to be nice and yummer. So after getting this emptied and seeing how much this actually stuck, it stuck more than I thought. But I'll definitely be increasing the milk to 2 cups instead of just the 1 cup to add some more sauce and creaminess to it. But I'll also be cutting the cook time down to just 1 minute. I know that sounds crazy, but those egg noodles don't take long, and the meatballs I used were already cooked. But kids loved it, so that's always a win for me. And you can't beat a 5-minute meal that tastes like you spent way more on it. But winner, winner, meatball dinner. This was a good one for us. Definitely one to keep.